And now, time for another unboxing episode with Deen.
Oh, hey there! Didn't see you there. I'm Deen, and welcome to Unboxing with Deen. And this is my delightful son. Say hey, kid.
Hey!
Alright. What a stinker. Anywho, we're going to be doing some unboxing today. You already know what I got.
The Fiend!
Come here. Yep, the Fiend. Good old Bray Wyatt. He came out with a third box, and think it's limited to 2,500. I'm one of the 2,500.
What about me?
Nope. It's me. I guess we can share. It came in this brown box package.
Open it.
Yeah, I already opened it. Let me see if we can get that. Ooh, smell that smell. Smells pretty good in there.
Smell like lemons.
Alright, and this is the holiday package.
It's the gift
The
of
holiday.
the Fiend.
Alright. It comes with no plastic. You don't peel it off or anything. And it says the Holidays with Ramblin Rabbit. Oh, and it says, let me in. Got a little serial number right there. Barcode, I should say. Yeah. This is the XL version. Okay. I'm going to be very careful not to damage anything. Let's see what we get. Smell. It smells real good for some odd reason. Let's see what this shirt is.
Ramblin Rabbit!
No, it's Ramblin Rabbit. Not cool to eat your friends. Because Mercy the buzzard is always trying to eat Ramblin Rabbit. And we also get, hold on, put that to the side. Ooh, some nice little cutouts right here.
And it's got little Bray Wyatt.
Wyatt.
It's got Ramblin Rabbit with the cool shades.
Oh yeah. All kinds of stuff you can cut out with. Okay. Let's see what this folds out to be. What does that say?
I don't know.
You know what it says. Abandon all hope, ye who exit here. Very, very interesting.
What does that even mean for?
Well, I don't know what it means for anyone else, but I know what it means for me. And as you see here, it's a nice little play set, I suppose. Got the Fiend in the window, Ramblin Rabbit right there. Nice little play set right there. Alright. And the nice little plastic crap, we got some jam. Hey, I thought this was real jam. It's hollow. There's nothing in here.
Ramblin Rabbit and Fiend, you betrayer!
Oh, goodness. Nothing. You can hear it's hollow.
You guys are betrayers!
Oh, that sucks. Back in the bubble wrap you go.
You never trust the Fiend.
Alright, let's see what else we got here. Holiday stuffing. Ramblin Rabbit's holiday stuffing, I guess. Oh, ho ho ho.
Little clown nose.
Well, it's a Rudolph nose.
Oh. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
How about you wear that?
Ugh, stink.
It stinks? Guess so. And you get 2 figures. Yeah.
Oh. Ramblin Rabbit.
You can't say no word to save your life. And it's a Ramblin Rabbit pin. Oh boy. I wonder what this is.
I know.
What it? Oh, it's the inflatable. It's the inflatable hammer. Can't open it. I'm not going to.
Never?
Huh?
Never?
Ever.
But we'll have fun with that.
Doubt it. And if we do, it's only going to be for 5 minutes. Because your attention span is very low.
And I never get to get that?
Correct. Oh, he doesn't get any of it. Poor guy. So how'd you like that?
Fun.
Very fun. So, if you're looking to get this for the holidays, I don't know if it's worth the $40 or $50, however much I paid. I don't think it's worth all that. It's all the time for Unboxing with Deen. And catch us next time on another unboxing video. Tell them bye!
Bye.
You're not smiling. Let me
That's all the time we have for today. We hope you liked this unboxing episode with Deen. And be sure to come back next time.